Teams that gather user feedback throughout the development cycle better understand their users and make better design decisions. The UserZoom GO plugin for Adobe XD makes it easy to build usability tests within your existing workflow and collaboratively generate insights with your team. Let's take a deeper look at how the plugin works. First, install the UserZoom GO plugin from the Adobe XD plugin store. Log in to your UserZoom GO account or sign up to a UserZoom GO free trial, all from within Adobe XD. Next, choose the workspace that you want to build your study in. Then give your study a name. Choose how you want to recruit your participants, whether that's with your own users or by getting UserZoom GO to find them for you. Select the prototype you want to test. Remember, you'll have to create a public share link first. Next, add pre-study questions. You have the choice of text-only, multiple choice, and rating style questions. Add tasks and scenarios for your participants. Choose whether you want your participant to start or end the tasks on a specific screen or artboard, and add task-specific questions too. You can see a summary of the tasks you've added in the plugin side panel. Follow-up questions will be completed after all the tasks have been attempted by your participants. If you're testing with our automated panel, specify who you want to complete your test. If you're bringing your own users, distribute the test link yourself. You can preview the study as a participant, then review the study overview to make sure everything is good to go. Congratulations! You've launched a UserZoom GO study from within Adobe XD. Once you have some responses, click View Results, and you'll be taken directly to watch those videos to quickly discover useful insights, tag feedback that you can share directly with teammates, and make agile updates to craft delightful user experiences. Streamline your usability testing workflow with the UserZoom GO plugin for Adobe XD. Test with confidence. Test with UserZoom GO.